In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check your credit score on the TD Bank mobile app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have two options to check your credit score. You can either do it through the TD Bank online banking functionalities or the TD Bank mobile app. So all you have to do is click the search function over here and look for this, Understanding Your Credit Score and Report. Press enter and you will be able to scroll down past the helpful related articles, and as soon as the page loads you will be able to access an article that describes the process of checking your credit score. On the search results you will be able to scroll down and find this article, Importance of Credit in Understanding Your Credit Score. All you have to do in here is scroll down and you will be able to find this section, Check Your Credit Score. As you can see, they have the option to do it through online banking, and you can click on this option to be redirected to check your credit score. So all you have to do is download the mobile app over here or log in online to check your credit score. Click for Apple devices or for Android devices and download the latest version of the TD Bank mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your credit score in the TD Bank mobile app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.